In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to enable screen recording for restricted apps in Android. So sometimes when you want to do a screen recording, you get a black screen. Your phone doesn't allow you to record that part of the application or doesn't allow you to do a recording. So that basically happens for security reasons that the application has in place by default. So in order for you to override that, it's a very simple procedure that you have to do manually on your Android phone. But before I show you how to do this, I just want to let you know that this is only going to work for applications that use standard protection. So in order for you to do this, get hold of your Android device and you get to settings directly. Okay. After you get to settings, scroll down, get to about phone and look for build number. So my build number is out here. Tap on the build number 7 to 8 times and enable developer options on your phone. Okay. After you do that, you get back to settings and search for developer options. Get to developer options and you do a search for turn off. And then here you're going to see an option for disable screen share protections. Click on that. And then you're going to be directed to this part. I want you to switch this on. Okay, if it is not on, just switch this on. And the next time you're doing a screen recording for a restricted application, which gives you a black screen while you record, you will be able to record that part of the application, or you will be able to do a screen recording. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.